Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your receptionist on the Remitly website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to open our Remitly website, and then we have to log in our account. And after going to the login our account, what we need to do, we have to open this profile section through clicking this icon, and after that we have to go to the receptionist option, and after clicking on this, as you can see, currently I have added this receptionist. If you want to edit this or if you want to send money directly to him from here, you can also do that. If you want to add a new receptionist, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this icon, and after clicking on this icon, you have to provide all the information regarding to that, and after that that will be added. So in this way you can manage your receptionist, and in this way you can add them, in this way you can delete them. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can manage them. So see you guys in the next video.